Hey you guys, I'm back again with another 5 ingredient bomb chicken recipe. So let's get started. So for this recipe, you will need some chicken parts. So that's my chicken leg quarters that I chopped up and washed up. You're going to need that McCormick bourbon chicken sauce thing. You're also going to need some peppers. You don't have to use multicolored peppers. I had a half a red and a half a green from a previous recipe, so that's why mine are two colors, but one pepper color is fine. Of course, my spicy girl, if you don't have my seasoning, you can use your favorite chicken seasoning and some mangoes. Salt and pepper is my free ingredient, so yeah, because everybody got salt and pepper in their house, period. All right, y'all, so you're gonna add your seasoning. Again, season is how you prefer. Spicy girl has over 13 ingredients, so therefore that's all I need when I season my food. My spice restocks pretty soon, so all you gotta do is cop it, and then you can do what I'm doing. The only thing I'm gonna season the chicken with is the mangoes, the spice, salt, and you wanna mix this up and allow it to marinate. Y'all, look how good this looks already. I love my spice so much. So then you're going to take your McCormick bourbon chicken flavor and you're just going to drizzle it. You don't want to drown it. You just want to drizzle it all across just like this. Don't drown the chicken. The chicken is going to make a lot of juice. This is just for extra flavor. This is only 5 ingredients. Just like that. Pop it into a 400-degree oven, uncovered for 1 hour. Check it after 30 minutes. All right, y'all, so this is what my chicken looks like after 30 minutes. So what you want to do is just baste it with the juices in the pan. All over, everywhere, all the pieces of the chicken. If you prefer to flip them over and brown the other side, that's fine too. You want to pop it back in the oven and allow the liquid to reduce. You guys, look at this chicken. The sauce reduced beautifully, and as you can see, it's coating the chicken just like I thought it would, and that's because of the chicken juice that reduced, as well as the sauce that we poured over the chicken. We're pretty much gonna have this with salad. I'm not sure what else my husband may want, but that's pretty much it for it today. We've been trying to eat healthier, so pretty much most of our proteins are eaten with salads or like a high fiber, low carb side. So thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.